friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share some very easy fall DIYs. Let's go ahead and get started. DIY number 1. For this project, I took Jenga blocks, and as you can see, there's 12 of them. First thing I'm going to do is use a hot glue and connect 6 of them in a row, like I'm showing over here. And then 2, they're going to come on top horizontally. There we go. You can use any other type of glue. I used hot glue for this purpose of this video, but actually it held up pretty well. Now I'm taking 4 of these Jenga blocks to put them in the corners, and here they are. After that, I'm taking these craft sticks. I believe these are from the Dollar Tree. You can really use any size that you have. I am marking off the length and the width of the new created base, and I'm using this miter shears to cut off the ends, and I am just sanding them a little bit lightly. After that, I have all of them ready. So I have 6 long ones and 6 shorter ones. First, I'm starting to attach the longer ones on the longer side of this base on the bottom and then on the top. And then I'm going to fill in the middle just to make sure everything is spaced out nicely. And I'm going to do the same thing all over this crate. And here it is, cute little crate created. Now that I have this done, I went ahead and gotten these wooden apples that came from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using just the paint that I have. This is Arteza. I believe it's burnt amber and some type of darker red color, and also I'm going to use a yellow color. Really, you can use anything that you have that reminds you of fall. I am painting 3 of these red, and the rest will be yellow, and then I used a darker green for the stem. And here they are. How cute do they look? I love it. I use the same brush, so as you can see, some of the yellow ones have streaks of red, which I really like. It really makes it more realistic. Alrighty, now I am going back to this crate, and I'm using this Antique Wax by Waverly, and I am going to use a baby wipe, and I will just distress it very little on the corners. You know, that's the place where crates get dirty from everyday use. This is really optional. You can paint it if you wish. I really decided to leave it as it is just to distress it a little bit. And here it is. I think it looks so cute. Next, I'm going to take some packing paper that I had on hand. I'm going to scrunch it up and put it on the bottom, so just so I have some base and I don't have to fill it up too much. And then I'm going to take this raffia, natural color raffia. I'm going to cut out small pieces to represent straw. I know the Dollar Tree sells this bales of straw, so you can get that and open it up. But this is what I had on hand, and I worked with it. After that, I am just going to put my apples, and that's going to be it for this cute little project. I am obsessed with miniatures. I think a lot of you know that, and I think this one turned out so adorable and so realistic. Please tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? Would you recreate this project? I don't know about you, but I'm sure most of us like walking or running outdoor. I am more of a walker than a runner, but with the temperatures that were so high over here in the south, and also the weather that's changing now, there's going to be a lot of rain, or some people suffer from allergies. I have a perfect solution for upcoming fall and winter months. This treadmill, or actually walking pad, is going to be a perfect solution for you guys. I received mine about a month ago, and I've been using it every single day. Not just me, my kids been using it too, and we absolutely love it. What I like the most about it is that it's so compact. It is very easy on knees. That was my big problem for my son, for example. If he runs outside on a concrete, he has a problem with his knees. He's a growing teenager, so this one is super soft on the knees. Also, it has a perfect range from 0.5 over to 4 mph, which is great for me. Like I said, I am not a runner, so this is perfect for walking and light jogging. It is very quiet and it has a brushless motor. I love that I can use it anytime, anywhere. I actually like to use it while I'm either working on my computer. As you can see over here, it can fit perfectly under the desk or counter, whatever you have. I like to just walk and forget about it and just edit my video. It is absolutely perfect. It is a very easy to move around. It has little wheels on the front, which allows you to, move it easily. It is not heavy to begin with, but as a girl, it's so much easier to just move it around. Also, as you can see over here, there's a little slot for remote control, which is so convenient. And here are the little wheels that I told you about. So easy to move around. As far as storing, you can put it anywhere under your bed, or like me over here, prompted against the wall. I usually put mine inside of the closet. It also has 2-year protection, warranty protection, which is perfect. So if you're interested in something like this, I'm going to link it in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. Alrighty, DIY number 2. For this project, I'm taking this wood round. It came from Target Dollar Spot. It was $3. That was several years back, honestly, but you can use any wood round that you have. First, I wanted this side, but it had a little scratch, so I decided to go with the black side. And these stencils came with this wood round, but you can really use any stencils that you have. And I also had this Gather wooden sign that also came from Target Dollar Spot. It was, I believe, package of few, and it's self-adhesive, so that makes it better. I am using the white acrylic paint and this foam brush, and I'm just stippling on this leaf, and then I'm gonna attach this Gather sign. Part of the sticky backing protective back has fallen off, so I used a little bit of hot glue to attach the rest of it. Now I pulled out all the fall greenery or flowers or foliage that I had. So I wasn't sure which one I'm going to use. And then I took raffia, and I decided I wanted to actually wrap the twine around it on one end, and I wanted to kind of like attach it on top that way, but I changed my mind later, and you will see in just a second. I want to show you my thought process, how I actually went about it. Sometimes you have idea, but it doesn't work out. So next, I'm taking these fall picks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut 2 in a different length. And I'm going to start assembling all that on top. So I was happy with this. So first of all, I'm going to take this pick from the Dollar Tree. I really don't know. I think it's eucalyptus, but I'm really not sure which one it is. I'm sure all of you have seen those at Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to be using this, I think it's cattails, something like that. I'm not really good with this, but you all know what you all see what I'm putting on. Now, as you can see, I changed my mind. I put the twine in the middle of the raffia to create kind of a bow out of raffia, and I'm going to position it in the top left corner. Next, I'm taking this pumpkin ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to create very, very simple bow. I'm literally just folding the ends, and I'm going to cut off the tails. After that, I'm taking one more piece of that ribbon that I'm going to wrap in the middle, securing it in the back with the hot glue, and that's going to be it for this cute little bow. I was not sure if I should attach a bow or not, but I went with it because I rarely do, so I think it looks cute. But you can tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? Should I have left out the bow or not? Next, I'm taking sanding paper and just lightly sand off the leaf. I didn't want it to be bright white. Next, I'm taking this little pumpkin that I had. I painted it previously with the white chalk paint, and now I'm just adding some shading with the antique wax and going over with the white again. And this is how it looks like. I'm putting the pick, part of the pick actually, back in to create a stem. And I'm just going to add it to the top of my wreath right under the bow. After that, this project will be completed. Please tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about this wood round? Do you like it? Would you change anything? For all of you that are new to our channel, welcome. We're so happy you are here on our channel. You can see a lot of budget-friendly DIYs, decor ideas, thrift flips, and home improvement DIYs that we share with you. If something like that interests you, please go ahead and subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, give this video and other videos thumbs up. That means so much to us and get us promoted on YouTube. Other ways to support is to watch ads, like, share, subscribe, and comment. We appreciate you so much. DIY number 3. Okay, I am taking 3 scrap wood pieces that I had in my garage. They're different. I wanted to use different sizes. Then I sanded them just a little bit. And then I want to take this acrylic paint in a color pumpkin. And I'm going to give all of these one good coat. After I painted them and after they were dry, this is how they look like. Next time I am taking a little bit darker shade of the orange. It's more like a brownish color. And I am going to go over and distress it. I just wanted some shading on this. And this is how it looks like. Next, I'm going to take the stencil, plaid stencil that I got on Amazon, I believe. And I will position it on the bottom part of this wooden pumpkin, let's say. And then I'm using just white acrylic paint and I will dab it with the sponge brush. And after I was done with it, this is how it looks like. I love the peeling off the stencil. It always that moment of revealing it looks so cute. I also added the sides as well. After that, for the second one, I am going to be using one of the craft papers from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to cut out these 3 pumpkins as well as one little leaf. And there it is. I was very careful to cut everything out nicely. And then I'm going to, of course, use a Mod Podge to attach it. First, I'm putting one layer of Mod Podge with a sponge brush where I want to lay my design. And I'm going to position the design and leave it to dry. After it was dried, I am going to put the second layer on top to protect the design. I'm sure most of you know how to use it, but I just explain it for those that never used Mod Podge. Okay, for the third little pumpkin, I'm going to be using also another crafts paper with these cute little trucks, and I cut out one that perfectly fit in that corner. And this is how they look like when they're all done. Now I'm taking my sander and just sanding off the edges and making these blocks a little more rustic. Here they are. I took these 3 picks in my yard, and I'm just gonna use them as stems. I cut off the bottom just to be able to lay them flat, and I used a lot of hot glue to secure them. After that, I'm using the same raffia I used in my previous projects, and I'm wrapping it a few times around and tying the knots. It was a little challenging. It was breaking, but at the end, I was able to create this. And that's it for this project. Please tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about this idea? I really like how they turn out. I am happy. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about all of these projects? Would you recreate any of them? Would you change something? Also tell me, what would you like to see next in my videos? I will do a lot of fall decor, but I just wanted to see if there's something particular like thrift flip or Dollar Tree DIYs or something like that. Tell me in the comments down below. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.